I remember when I started out years ago, I read that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step and you're on the way.
Southwire is a place where innovation drives us forward and ambition meets opportunity. Our company began because one man wanted to make sure his grandmother would experience electricity in rural Carrollton, Georgia. And from his innovation and ambition, we have become the nation's leading wire and cable provider. And for over 75 years, our family-owned company has been helping to power the buildings and infrastructure around us. Our solutions power offices, data centers, and homes, and electrify the vehicles that take us from point A to point B. Working at Southwire is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to thrive. Whether you are designing new products, assembling them on the manufacturing line, or assisting our customers with installation, working at Southwire means you are joining our family. We empower you to learn and grow, welcome you to show up as your authentic self, and encourage you to give back to our local communities. From day one, you'll discover flexible pathways for professional development and career advancement. Our Total Rewards program encompasses the entire team member experience, from our programs, practices, and benefits, all demonstrating our commitment to being an employer of choice. You'll find a supportive and inclusive community where everyone belongs, and you'll contribute to solutions that are helping to make our planet healthier for future generations. At Southwire, we know your potential is limitless. Are you ready to make your mark? Join our team and take your first step. Made possible with Southwire.